Hi there, this is Nosheen from Short English Lessons with Nosheen. In this video, we're going to discuss two confusing terms, restore and recover. As a student of English as a second language, or even being a bilingual, you see the terms restore and recover may be used interchangeably, right? But they actually have a huge difference in the meaning. And in this video, we're going to discuss how can you use them correctly in your sentence by knowing the difference between them. Let's look at recover first. The word recover. Recover means to get back or regain something that we lost. Just like think of someone becoming healthy again after an illness, right? So you could say he recovered quickly and joined the office again. Keep it in mind, you can also use recover in environmental or ecological system. For example, after a storm, if the trees and plants are destroyed and the beauty of a forest or a place is ruined, you could say the beauty of the forest will recover as plants and trees return to good health. Or you might need to grow new plants or trees to recover the beauty of the place. Or another example is, I guess you need more rest to recover your injury. Now let's look at the word restore. Restore means to give something back which was lost, or to re-establish, or to put something back the way it was. And yes, it is also implied for people. For instance, to put a person back on the rank or a position or a place. For instance, for the current situation of Russia and Ukraine war, sadly, many families have lost their homes. So here, we desire to end their misfortune and restore them safe to their families. Here is another example to use restore in your sentence. For instance, my friend is an author and he had to stop writing for some reasons. So what happened? He lost his momentum, and since he started writing again, his purpose is to restore in the hearts of the readers the joy of fiction reading by making them see that writer fulfills every need. So now you can see the difference between restore and recover and use them correctly in your sentences. Hope that helps. Keep practicing. Bye.